go. Okay, so here's an attempt to use this device called, or software called Screencast-O-Matic. Very similar to the previous Jing, as the instructor wants to call it, which is called Snagit. Here's the Snagit piece. So I'm kind of giving you something that you've already seen with that. X out of that because I'm tired of it. If I can get out of the Snagit homepage, let's see if I can go to what I previously recorded, which was a feature or a demonstration, if you would, that that stemmed from an argument with senior leadership of the Windsor Express about the ability to live stream our games to our website, on our website, as opposed to being dependent to YouTube and our viewers being exposed to all the distractions that are available on YouTube. Why not have that built into our website, which our website would be windsorexpress.ca. So, as I've tried to convey, this doesn't even have our games, recent game that was played. That should be posted right now, but this area right here could actually show our game, as opposed to showing previous games, that scores for previous games that are with no dates, that are being posted to the website. So on our slideshow. So anyway, getting out of that, which I'll post to this Leno crap. Done with that. And so this place. So I like this Screencast-O